Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers, our dear friends, supporters. Today is 18th of December 2018. We are closer and closer to a decisive moment of the end of 2018. The meeting, the Fed's meeting, Federal Market Open Committee meeting, that should probably lay the ground for the shorter to longer term trends in the foreign exchange market, in different kind of currency pairs that's trading in the world financial markets. Today, in the framework of today's analysis, we'd like to concentrate your attention around four probably most liquid pairs. We call these pairs major currencies, and it's normal from world point of view, let's say from the theory of financial analysis in the currency market. That's euro dollar, dollar yen, sterling dollar, and dollar Swiss. And of course we need to discuss these types of currencies, especially right now, especially at this stage, just before the decisive kind of very important event of this week, in the form of the Fed's meeting that's scheduled for tomorrow. Today, the members of the Fed already started, should start, let's say so, the first part of its meeting, with the final result for tomorrow in the evening during American time. We will have the result, and after that the press conference. Of course, much more important will be the dot plot projection regarding the future pace of tightening from the part of the Fed. Also, it will be very interesting how Jerome Powell will evaluate the current stance of the United States economy as well as global economy, and we should understand that yesterday's remarks by United States President Donald Trump that he absolutely against current tightening cycle from the part of the Fed in such kind of environment, political uncertainties and global slowdown in the world economy. Probably he's right. But we should understand that United States Central Bank is an independent institution, and of course probably it's a mistake to make such kind of comments just before the meeting, because it could probably exaggerate the market final outcome. But let's speak about this event, about the possible result and implications for the currency market during tomorrow's statement, during tomorrow's analysis from our channel. Today, probably it's time to stand out and to understand the technical point of view in the world currency markets. Let's see the charts. Let's starting from euro dollar as usually. After a small dip to below 113 during Friday time, now the pair is a little bit higher, 113.42. We suggest that from a short-term point of view, probably it's time for the euro dollar to rebound further. Probably during today's session we even could test the level of 114, but the market for sure should wait for tomorrow's result before take a much more important decision that could really drive the market in one direction or the other. As regarding dollar yen, because of rising risk aversion sentiment, probably that's an answer why the Japanese yen is a little bit stronger now comparing to yesterday's levels. The high was 113.50 during yesterday's session. Now the pair even plunged to below 112.46. Of course, there is a small support around 112.20. Overall, the picture still remains quite bullish for the dollar yen. We're still trading at the upper part of the channel, and the so-called very important barrier barrier multi-year, let's say, top around 114.50 should defend the upside in the currency, but in case of further deepening, probably we need to close below a moving average 200 daily line 110.82, psychologically important level of 110 to really improve the bearish picture of the Japanese of the dollar yen. As regarding sterling, we don't like to tell a lot of things about the cable right now, because a lot of will depend on Brexit deal situation, negotiations, blah blah blah. Let's wait for tomorrow's final result of the Fed before take some decisions regarding what kind of position to take in this currency, a short one or a long one. We prefer to remain more or less bullish in the cable from a longer term point of view anyway, but of course we should understand that till the end of March 2019, the deadline of Brexit negotiations, the pair should remain under the downside pressure in such kind of environment of unpredictability, uncertainty and so on. And dollar Swiss, like Japanese yen, Swiss franc probably is a little bit stronger now because of safe haven demand for the currency, but also here the pair still remains quite stable, and the market prefer to stand aside and to wait for tomorrow's Fed's meeting. Thank you, dear subscribers. See you tomorrow, and wish you all the best during today's trading. Take care and bye bye for now.